Hello everyone, nice to see you. I hope you have a really nice day. Hello from St. Petersburg. I'm gonna introduce you to my IJP department planning for the next term. We will have two sub-products, it's IT and Business Administration. In general goal we'll have 86 plan realization, and for IT it's 30 and for Business Administration it's 45. Our legacy, I think it's to build IJP culture, that's really important now, and also build the foundation for the next generation by our professional work together. Regarding to the program management frame, I think we should set some projects and action to fill out our goals in the end. So our projects and action, it is first we should decide about sub-product based implementation and segmentation. Also, we should do market research, analyze our needs, and realize how we can create it and how we can do it based on our JD of sub-products. Also, it's really important to create sub-product branding, because without any brand we can't really realize what we are selling and what the companies will buy and why exactly this product it's really important for them. Regarding to these 3 points, it's a product based market segmentation, sub-product based implementation and package creation, and sub-product branding. After we'll finish it, I think it's will be really cool that we can finish it in July and like product packaging in August. And after it, it will be a supply and demand strategical planning, because it's really important to know our markets here in Hungary, but also it's really important to know the markets abroad. So I'm gonna plan to work really strong with countries and set some country-to-country cooperation. And for this we need to really deeply know our markets abroad. And after we can switch these two markets, like our market and markets from the countries, we can like do really like great things, and we can do it quickly. After all these steps, it's also we can mention financial and legal part, because in IJP department it's really the main topic of like our work. With this, I think we should have some time. I think it will start in July, but it will end, I think, somewhere in autumn. So we need to realize this whole frame from also finance and legal part. And after we will do it, I think like our next step, it is online channeling and offline channeling. So we're gonna promote our product. We're gonna promote it through online channels and promo campaigns between the country-to-country cooperation, or offline channels. I think it will be really cool to go for external event and also to have some networking with companies and like be every time to know our trends, like our markets, our external environment. It's also really cool. So after all these things, we're gonna build, I think, sales capacity and sales knowledge building, because now I think we haven't really a lot experienced in it. So our first steps, it's sales education for VPs and after to middle managers, I think after it's also really the main parts, this raising culture, raising days in LCs, and raising culture in the conferences. And after we will build this culture and people will be really proud to be in this team, I think we're gonna do like better and faster our process things. And after it, it's also important matching process optimization. Because for it we also need this country cooperation, we also need to create shorter this time between raises and matching part. And also I think it's from delivery part, it's more about like servicing and quality of servicing, KP and TN and all these things. And I think it also should be controlled somehow. And in the end, I think we should showcase our results, and it will be really cool that we can do it through successful stories from EPs and like our TN takers. and they will be really proud like to work with ISEC to be our partner. I think it's whole frame that I can explain for this moment and as I can see it for the next term. I hope really that you will enjoy your time on this day, and also if you have like any question, please free to contact me.